Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Bula Bazar. This is a subject teacher of science and today I am here with exercises of chapter number 7 House and Clothing. So students, in today's video we are going to discuss about the exercises related to this topic. So my dear students, before starting the exercises of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in this chapter you learn about the different materials that are used to make house and the types of roofs, that is flat roofs and sloping roof, and the different types of houses that people make according to climate. And at last we had discussed about the topic clothes we wear. So students, now let's come to the exercises of this chapter. All of you open page number 68 here. Question number A, filling the blanks with correct words. So students, as you know that there are two options are given in filling the blanks. You have to choose the correct one and write in the given blank. Okay, so students, in first, houses in the plains have blank roofs. Options are flat and sloping. So students, houses in the plains have flat roofs. So here you have to write FLAT, flat. Now next, houses on the mountains have blank roof. So students, houses on the mountains have sloping roof because sloping roof helps snow to slide off easily. So here you have to write sloping. Okay, now look at third one, people living in places where it blank. So students, here first of all you have to write rains. People living in places where it rains a lot make houses on stilts. In first blank you have to fill rains here, and in second blank you have to fill stilts, STILTS, stilts. Now next one, houses made from blocks of ice are called igloos. In fourth you have to write igloos. Now fifth, houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary houses. So here you have to fill TEMPORARY, temporary. Now question number B, name the following. So students, here you have to look at the given picture. After this you have to write the name of the houses that is given here. So here this is an igloo. You have to write here IGLOO, igloo. Okay, an igloo is a example of permanent house. Next is houseboat. Students, spelling of houseboat, HOUSEBOAT, boat, houseboat. So here you have to write houseboat. Okay, and houseboat is an example of temporary houses. Next is caravan, 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 which is known as houses on wheel. Next one is tent, TENT, tent. This is also example of temporary houses. It is made up of thick cloth or plastic sheet. Now let's come to the question number C. Choose the correct option. So students, here 4 questions are given in each question. You have to choose the correct one. Question number first, What does a house protect us from? So students, as you know that house protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. So here answer will be option number D, that is all of this, because heat and cold, wind and rain is given in option number A, B and C. So that's why here correct option is option number D, that is all of this. Now second one, which of these materials do we use to make a pakka house? So students, we use cement and bricks to make a pakka house. Now third one, which of these roofs will help to slide off snow easily? So students, in this chapter we had discussed about the two types of roof, that is flat roof and sloping roof, and there I told you that sloping roofs help to slide off snow easily. So here answer will be option number C. You have to tick the option number C. Okay. Fourth, houses made of blocks of ice are called igloo. Here answer is igloo. Now question number 5, which of these houses should we make in places where it's rain a lot? So students, places where it's rain a lot, we make a house on stilt. So here answer will be option number C, stilt houses. Question number 6, a karma is a. Options are house on wheels, temporary house, both A and B, or none of these. So students, here a karma is a house on wheels and temporary house. So here option number A and B both are correct. So you have to take the option number C, that is both A and C. Now let's come to the question number 7. Which of these is not true about clothes we wear? The students, option number A, they protect us from heat, cold and rain, etc. B, we need clothes to live. C, we wear different clothes in different seasons. So students, here option number A and C is true about the clothes we wear. Option number B, we need clothes to live, is not correct. So here you have to take the option number D, that is both A and C. Now let's come to the question number D. So students, here what we have to do, give 2 examples for the following. So here you have to give two examples for each of the following. So let's do it. First, things used to make pakka house. So students, the materials that are need to make a pakka house are bricks and cement. So you have to fill here bricks in the first blank and cement in the second blank. Okay. Now second, things used to make kacha houses. So materials that are need to make a kacha houses are mud and straw. Now third, temporary houses. Tent and karma are the example of temporary houses. Now fourth, permanent houses. Pakka house and kacha house are the example of permanent house. At last, fifth, type of cloths we wear. Cotton cloth and woolen cloth. So students, this was the exercise A, B, C and D from chapter 7. In our next video, we will learn the question answer of this chapter. Now you have to complete all these exercises in your book as well as in your notebook also, and you have to learn all these exercises Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.